Look at that number. Just look at it. It's 11:30 on a Tuesday night. You're exhausted. You put in 40 hours this week. You did the dishes, paid the Wi-Fi. You're adulting. And this number is the only thing standing between you and sleep. Here's what nobody tells you. That number isn't a bank problem. It's a pattern problem. So the money, where does it go? It didn't disappear in one go, but in a sneaky way. A coffee, a subscription you forgot about, a you-earned-it impulse. Every leak is tiny. The flood, catastrophic. Today, I'm not saying save money. That's what your aunt says on Thanksgiving. I'm going to show you that saving is the single highest leverage hack for buying your freedom. If any of these lands, smash subscribe and hit that thumbs up. Let's go. Let's dismantle a myth immediately. Most people who look rich are just high-level delivery drivers for their creditors. They drive their Mercedes to deliver the lifestyle to themselves. It never arrives. Spending to signal wealth is the fastest way to have none. Our brains are hijacked by status. The iPhone that works perfectly feels old the moment the new one drops. That's not logic. That's marketing wearing your brain like a coat. 7 out of 10 people at your grocery store, at your gym, sitting next to you at work. They aren't living. They're running on a treadmill, bolted to the floor. The ones who look calm, the ones in plain clothes with no logo. That's where the money actually is. Here's where that will catch you by surprise. Find just $100 a month. That's $3.30 a day, less than your second coffee. Put it somewhere that earns 7% average annual return, index funds historically, and watch what patience does. $262,000 from $100 a month. You didn't grind overtime for that. You didn't sell a kidney. You just refused to spend and let time do the heavy lifting. But I can't wait 40 years. Okay, bump it to $500 per month. Same math. You cross $1.3 million after 40 years. That's not a savings account. That's a life reset button. Your patience bought that. Not hustle, patience. So why doesn't everyone do this? Because your brain is betraying you. You are treating your future self like a stranger that is not you. Psychologists call it hyperbolic discounting, the irrational belief that a reward today is worth more than a bigger reward later, even when the math says otherwise. To your brain, $50 now is greater than $1,000 in 10 years. It's not stupidity. It's an evolutionary glitch. It is natural selection. We survived by grabbing food today. Saving feels like starvation. Here's the reframing that changed everything for me. Saving isn't not spending. Saving is buying options. When you have $20,000 in a high-yield savings account, you're not missing out on a new car. You're owning the ability to walk out of a job that's killing your soul. That's not deprivation. That's armor. Schools skip this. Parents skip this. So let's build your freedom blueprint right now. 3 steps. No apps, no guru course, just behavior. Any impulse purchase over $50, you wait 24 hours. No exceptions. Most of the time, the craving dissolves once the dopamine fog lifts. You don't need it. You needed the feeling of buying it only. Open your banking app and check your credit card statements. Find the streaming service you haven't opened since last month. The gym membership you swore you'd use next week. Cut them. They are silent leaks draining your ship while you sleep. Automate the transfer the day your paycheck hits. Before rent, before groceries, future. You get paid first. If you save what's left over, nothing will be left. That's not pessimism. That's math. Let me leave you with the truth nobody posts on Instagram. The rich look broke. The broke look rich. True wealth is invisible. It's the silence of a house with zero debt. It's sleeping through the night knowing a $2,000 emergency won't detonate your life. It's walking into a Monday meeting and choosing to stay, not being forced to. That key in your hand, it's not made of gold. It's made of small decisions, repeated. You don't need a lottery ticket. You don't need a raise. You need one decision right now to stop leaking and start building. If you made it this far, you're already in the top 10% of people who actually care about their future. Drop the word freedom in the comments. I read every single one. Check upcoming videos for exactly where to park that first $1,000. I'll see you there. Go save something today. I'm simply wealth wiser. Stay smart. Stay tuned.